Hi and welcome to today's tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to add a page. So what you need to do once you've logged into your WordPress admin is just click over here on the Pages panel. You'll see a list in there of all the different pages you currently have in your WordPress site. I'm just going to quickly get rid of that draft one that I've got in there. So to add a new page, it's fairly simple. You just go up to Add New Page here, or you can add it there. Either way, it's both exactly the same. So I'm going to click Add New. So this is the page title. So this is where you put your main heading for that particular page. I'm just going to type in About Us. So in this white text area, this is where you place all your text and images, or all the content for your page. So that could also include videos, PDFs, and anything else, gallery. So for now, we're just going to put in some dummy text. I'm just going to go over to the Lorem Ipsum website and just generate about 300 words. So it's recommended that the search engines prefer it if you have at least a minimum of 300 to 400 words per page. So I'm just going to copy that text, and then I'm going to go paste it back into my text area. Excuse my voice today, I do have a little bit of a cold. So this is where you would put your text in. You can copy and paste it in from Word. If you do copy and paste it in from Word, make sure that you use the Word icon here. That'll just strip any code that's created inside the Word document because it doesn't really react that well with WordPress. Or you can just simply type your text straight into that text area there. So once you've added your title, you've added your text and any images or anything else you want to add in that area, all you need to do is go over and click the Publish button. There is one other thing that I would recommend turning off, is this discussion section. So this is that big box, reply box that you would have on a page or a post. So usually with pages you don't have that reply box. So we'll just untick them and then make sure that you click Publish. So now that has just published your page live. If you don't see that discussion area there, it just means that you actually haven't turned it up in your screen options. So if you click on the screen options, you can see the other areas that I haven't actually turned on myself. So if you turn them on, that will then give you access to those panels as well. So now you can see I have those different panels. Custom fields, don't really bother with that unless you're an advanced WordPress user. So discussion, turn that off if you don't want that reply box on the page. Comments, so if you do leave that reply box on the page and people start writing you comments, this is where you'll be able to see those comments for that particular page. So you can either approve them, delete them, spam them, or reply to them if you wish. The slug, so this is just a shorter version of the page up here. So see how this is what they call the permalink, which is the URL structure of a page. So if you wanted to make that a little bit shorter, you could just go down to the slug and type in a shorter version of the page name. So if you do that, then obviously you have to go up here and then click Update. Once you click Update, you can see now that it's actually made a shorter version of the page name. So that's entirely up to you. Author, so if you had 5 different authors writing for you, then when they write their page or their post, this is where they would go down and select their nickname or their author name. The publish setting, so if you didn't actually want to publish the page, you could set it as pending review or draft, and this will keep it non-visible to your visitors until you actually click that publish button again. The template, so some particular themes have different templates that you can select from. This one's got like a blog page or a full width page. So these are things that you can play around with obviously once you start designing a site. Page order, I would never use that option. I would always create my pages in a custom menu, and that way you don't have to ever remember what number you're up to when ordering your pages. Creating a menu saves all that hassle and it's so much easier. And that's about it. If you ever need to put some HTML code in for like a YouTube video or PayPal button, then this text tab here, this is where you would put in the HTML code or the YouTube code into that, what they call the HTML area. And then you've got your standard text editor tools up here. Make sure that this one's clicked open so you can see that second layer. And that's all I think you need to know about adding a page. Another thing is the word count. So if you wanted to check how many words you do have in a page, you just simply make sure you publish the page first, and then it will give you the word count down in this section here. And that's the end of today's tutorial, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.